Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to put video profile on TikTok. It's very easy. So if you want to use video as your profile, then this video is for you. So let's see how we can do it. So the first step to take is to open your TikTok app, head to your profile, and then from your profile you just have to click on the edit profile button, and then you just get these two options at the top: change photo or change video. So you just have to go ahead, click on the change video, and then choose the video from your device.
See, you can do anything. You can
Save. And that's all guys, that's how you can actually do it. So hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to put video profile on TikTok. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.